Welcome to our channel Kidney Expert presented by Karma Ayurveda, where you will get all the information related to kidney and kidney related facts. Like always, we are back with a new video on our channel where we will guide you about how you can keep your kidneys healthy for lifelong. Prevention is always better than cure. So if you want to keep your kidneys healthy forever, then this video is for you. Before we start, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Kidney Expert so that you do not miss any update or any notification from our channel. More than a few million of the world's population, including children, die every year because of kidney disease. About 15% of the world's population is dealing with kidney diseases and other kidney ailments. Kidney diseases are generally silent and they do not give any symptoms at early stages. When they get chronic, a patient's kidney might suddenly become incapable of filtering the fluid from the body and removing unwanted substances. This process of losing the functional ability of the kidney can be gradual as well as sudden. In most cases, you may not know about a disease until it gets too severe or has serious health effects. We believe that precaution is always better than cure. But is this true in the case of kidney disease? Yes, you can certainly protect yourself from developing kidney disease or any problem with a good lifestyle and healthy dietary habits. Your unhealthy food habits and lazy lifestyle can be a significant reason for you to suffer from kidney ailments. We know our kidneys are responsible for filtering our blood and maintaining overall fluid balance. They regulate and filter minerals from blood. One of the kidney's primary functions is to remove waste materials from food, drugs, and toxic substances. They create hormones that are essential to sustain our well-being. Imagine a life without kidneys. Kidneys are essential organs of our body, and it is impossible to survive without these functions in our body. Unhealthy kidneys will not keep you healthy for long. Sometimes these disorders might result in acute kidney failure, leading you to such a critical condition that you might lose your life. But with a few steps or precautions, you can keep kidneys healthy forever. You can prevent your kidney from getting any such disease. Let's discuss what these precautions are. First, keeping yourself fit reduces the possibility of getting kidney disease, as a fit body does not experience inflammation in blood pressure. A healthy body reduces blood pressure, whereas high blood pressure or hypertension increases the risk of getting chronic kidney disease. Yoga is beneficial in keeping body and mind healthy and not getting infected with such kidney disorders. Regular exercise for at least 20 to 30 minutes is very beneficial for the health of kidneys. Second, about more than half of kidney patients are either diabetic or hypertension patients. These patients need to keep a regular check on their kidney function. Early detection can help in treating and redeeming the damaged part. It is significant to control the blood sugar level with an expert's advice and planned diet. Third, it is essential for kidney patients or people who want to keep their kidneys healthy that they monitor their blood pressure. You may be aware that high blood pressure can cause a stroke or heart attack. Only a few people know that this can damage kidneys too. If you observe constant high blood pressure that is above 90 to 140, you should immediately consult your doctor and adopt some lifestyle and dietary changes. Controlled blood pressure decreases the probability of getting kidney malfunction. Hypertension, along with diabetes, high cholesterol, cardiovascular disease escalate the possibility of acute kidney failure. Next is eating nutritious food is very important. Even if you're a kidney patient or not, healthy diet is a must. But you need to be conscious of the food and its content. It is advised to take low sodium salt and less of food from outside. Junk food, oily or fast foods are less nutritious and can be highly toxic. They affect the functioning of kidneys. You should be very conscious about the vegetables and fruits you choose to eat. Fifth is you should keep a check on your weight. Losing or gaining too much weight can be both harmful to your kidneys. An obese body is at high risk of getting kidney problems. Sixth, you should consume the right amount of water. Consuming 2 to 3 liters of water in a day is recommended for everyone to stay hydrated and maintain the right amount of fluid in your body. Dehydration is the major cause of kidney disorders like kidney stone formation, cyst formation, and proteinuria. Consuming plenty of fluid helps remove excess of electrolytes like sodium, potassium, phosphorus, and other toxins from the body. Seventh is excess fluid consumption has its side effects, so do not consume an excess of it. It might pressurize kidneys and result in excess removal of protein albumin or creatinine. Next is drinking and smoking. An excess of alcohol consumption can cause multiple organ failure, and kidneys are no exception. Kidneys get severely affected by drinking alcohol in excess amount. Similarly, smoking affects kidneys as it affects the flow of blood to kidneys, which reduces their functional abilities. Smoking increases the possibility of kidney cancer by 50%. Ninth is we advise you strictly not to take drugs or medicines daily. Their intoxication in body poses a serious threat to kidneys. Painkillers should strictly not be consumed without the doctor's permission. Diabetes, hypertension, obesity, or genetic disorders are few conditions that increase the risk of kidney disorders. About 70% of patients of kidney disorders are dealing with these conditions which severely affect kidneys. Keeping these conditions in control will help protect kidneys too. If you are not a kidney patient and take care of these things in your routine, you will not get any kidney disorders. Your kidneys will always stay healthy. Or if you are someone who is already suffering from kidney disease, these precautions will definitely help you reduce the risk of kidney failure. Kidney patients should be more cautious and sincerely follow these precautions. Mostly, kidney patients go for allopathic treatment to cure their diseases, but is allopathy effective for kidney disorders? Allopathy treatment has no permanent and effective solution for kidney problems. It is either dialysis or transplant, which is suggested to end-stage renal patients. No effective treatment at earlier stages. Dialysis and transplant both are hugely expensive treatments but do not guarantee 100% success. Ayurveda, the ancient medical science, provides quick and long-lasting treatment for kidneys. Ayurveda has the potential to revive damaged kidneys and regain their functional abilities, which allopathy considers a miracle. Ayurveda introduces you to a new but healthy lifestyle. Yoga and a naturally nutritious diet are essentially associated with Ayurvedic treatment. Ayurveda does not believe in artificial machinery and allopathic medicines and firmly say no to them, especially for kidney patients. If you or any of your loved one is fighting with any kidney disorder and is looking for the right Ayurvedic treatment, you must contact Karma Ayurveda. Ayurvedic ways of healing are not new. It is more profitable than any other science to maintain body's right blood pressure and sugar level. It helps kidneys to function properly and reduce the risk of kidney failure and other organ strokes. Ayurveda is the answer to all your kidney problems. Karma Ayurveda is India's most reputed Ayurvedic kidney care institution. Our treatment involves only natural herbs and few healthy lifestyle modifications. We do not approve of dialysis or transplantation. Yoga and a scheme diet along with our natural herbs have the potential to revive damaged kidneys as well. Let us see one of such exceptional cases where allopathic doctors lost all hopes. So did you see how Ayurvedic treatment has clearly outshined the painful Western protocols like dialysis or transplant? So if you or any of your loved one is dealing with any kidney disorder, then dial the helpline numbers flashing on your screen. We are India's leading Ayurvedic kidney care institution. Our address and our helpline numbers are flashing on your screen. Please feel free to contact us. We hope you like this video. If yes, please hit the like button. For more such videos, keep watching our channel. Thank you for watching this video.